Hi, welcome to Trinity Urban Permaculture. Today I'm pulling out the big guns. I want to create some tomatoes this year that are like kick-ass healthy. And I've been seeing all kinds of people tell me that they need eggshells and or calcium to prevent blossom end rot. So I've been saving eggshells for quite a while. And I want to show you what we're going to do with them today so that they're bioavailable for my tomatoes. I'll tell you what, there is very little in this world that is quite as satisfying as crushing dried eggshells. I could do it for hours. Oh my gosh. I've put them in bowls and buckets and used pounders. I've stepped on them with my bare feet, with shoes. Oh gosh. It's one of those things that you just don't know until you try. I strongly recommend it, particularly if you have a lot of stress in your life. Oh gosh. It's just a wonderful, wonderful way to relieve some stress. Just the sound it makes. Okay. However, if you put them in your compost or you stick them in your flower beds or at the base of your tomatoes by the roots in this state, they're gonna be too sharp. So what we need to do is pulverize. Yeah, and we're gonna turn these suckers into dust. Ooh, 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 ooh. All you need is a food processor or a blender. And we're going to use the chop function. And we're just going to dance around the kitchen a little bit with this. Make sure your lid's on real tight. Okay, if you do it right, when you lift the lid, it's gonna look like smoke. Oh, see, you can see it on the top there. Oh, boy, I really put that on there. Okay. Woo! Yep. We turned that stuff into powder. You know, we had this all around us. Most of us probably throw our eggshells away, but all you gotta do is rinse them off and stick them in a little pan, and you've got pure calcium, natural calcium at your fingertips in just about every kitchen, I would guess. Hey, permaculture principle 6. Use the free resources that are around you. Have eyes to see them. Use them first before you go buy them someplace. Now, what I've been told is if we mix this in as we're transplanting our seedlings into their receptive holes, like, you know, just mix a little bit in, like a tablespoon in with the soil that you dig out from the hole, put in. And it's also saying that I should use wood ash, a tablespoon per every 2 cups of soil, a tablespoon of wood ash, and a tablespoon of bone meal. So all 3 things I'm going to try, and we'll just see how it works this year. Bye for now, from your garden alchemist. Woo!